Hello, my name is Ellen Mueller and I'll be your instructor for this course. I am a practicing interdisciplinary artist and I've been teaching in higher education for over 10 years. I'm also the director of the MFA program at Minneapolis College of Art and Design, and we talk a lot about theory and criticism, especially in relationship to our students' wide-ranging and diverse practices. So, this course is geared towards anyone over 18 who has an interest in reading a variety of perspectives, thoughtful reflective writing, and lively discussion. This course is also particularly useful for people who might be interested in pursuing an MFA degree but are unsure about some of the academic courses one might encounter in an MFA program. So, some nuts and bolts about the course. We'll be meeting for 5 synchronous sessions, about 1.5 hours each, and students can expect about 10 to 20 pages of reading each week. I would estimate around 3 to 5 hours of work depending on how fast you read and write. And at each session, I'll introduce a topic, we'll hold discussion, look at reading, and review assignments. So if you have any questions at all, please do not hesitate to reach out. I'm available at emueller@mcad.edu. Thank you.